How to use Roblox DevEx to cash out Robux. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into the dashboard of your creator Roblox, right? So just like this, you need to get into your creator account and then get into the dashboard. And then from your dashboard, what are you going to do is simply open the DevEx section that you'll be able to see if you have created a game on Roblox. So you'll be able to see that option around here. All you need to do is click on that, and then what you're going to do is simply, like, obviously you would need to be eligible for that. You would need a minimum eligible Roblox balance, verified identity, valid payment information, compliance with Roblox terms. And if you are eligible, you'll be able to click on the option cash out. Simply click on that one, then enter the amount of Robux to exchange, submit the request, and wait for Roblox to review and process it. And after that, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get your DevEx to cash out your Robux.